Hi, I'm Mitch from Glenville, Pennsylvania. What did I find most effective for my pain? Before I started treatment here, I had pain for I'd say about 3 months. A lot of the pain I was having was with my arms and my wrists, and basically neck and lower back pain. My pain's affected not only my job, but also my home life with just doing normal chores and playing with my daughter and everything. So my improvement since I started coming has gone up drastically, and I feel much better overall, and my range of motion and everything has returned. I believe my life would be better to not have some of these pains off and on, or even more persistent. I'd say anybody that has pain that I would recommend chiropractic care, especially here at Harcourt. I believe everybody is very professional and took care of me very well, and I appreciate everything.